my God, gutom ako. Murder ako ng Indomie, guys. Tignan na natin. Ang pahit ng lasa, pwede balik. Pero kala, gutom na ako.
Tikman na.
Ang pangit. Buti na lang pwede magbayad ng Singaporean dollar.
Nakalugi tayo din.
Ang pangit, masarap pa yung Indomie sa Pilipinas.
What? How much is this?
Why didn't look at me? Don't know English? How much? 6? There's no normal chicken?
Normal chicken or
They have curry? I don't know what curry. How about the other one? What's the flavor?
spicy not spicy.
Spicy is okay.
Spicy. Fish, sambal.
Fish? I don't know. Let's try the chicken na lang. Maybe that taste is not good. I'll buy the chicken.
Chicken one rice.
Yeah, I'll try. No
Okay.
pre-taste? Maybe I cannot eat. Just kidding. Oh, you want chicharon. How about the chicharon? How much that? That one.
Ni, what?
I want to buy that. I mean, the chicharon. This one. How much? 3?
3 ringgit.
3 ringgit. But it's like, this one na lang. What you say? No ketchup?
Ketchup no lah.
No, okay.
The ready to eat.
Okay, ready to eat. Okay, thank
Try,
you.
try.
Okay, I'll try. You take me a video when I'm trying this. You say that it's good eh.
Ulit.
Ma, ito masarap. Yung may goreng kanina hindi.
Ano yan?
Ano to? Chicken curry.
Parang siopaw sa
Ang sopaw
Philippines.
sa Pilipinas. Dito sa stopover ng Malaysia, bas.
Yung mi goreng.
Yung may goreng ang pahit na lasa, tinapon ko.
Ayan, hindi mo susuli.
Pero, alam mo yung pag kinain mo, nagulululok mo siya. Yun yung okay.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Kaya namin na laging nagmamadali at galit. Bawal maglagay ng tubig, magdala ng water sa loob eh. Magagalit si driver. Itago natin sa bag natin. Kami na lang pala inaantay. Buti na alala tayo.